I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an application question on vectors from previous test paper. The question here is, the diagram shows a railway track that has equation 2x plus 3y equals to 36. The axis represents two long country roads. All distances are in kilometers. Some railway workers have base camp at P40. Find the coordinates of the point on the railway track that would be closest to P. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now here we have a diagram. So we have made a coordinate. That's green line showing the railway track. And we have a point which is at 40. Let's say this point is at 40. We are given the equation of the track as 2x plus 3y equals to 36. We need to find coordinates of a point on the railway track that would be closest to P. So the closest point on the railway track will be at right angles, correct? So we are looking for a point R on the railway track so that PR is perpendicular to AB, right? So that is what the question is. I'd like you to pause the video now and answer the question. Now let's begin by finding the equation of this line in a different way. We'll use vectors. Well, you could also solve with this equation, right? Using the concepts of linear equations which you've learned, we can find the slope from here and then also work it out. So let's do both ways, kind of, right? So I'll isolate y from here. So we can say 3y equals to minus 2x plus 36, or y is equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 36 over 3, right? So which is 12. Okay, so let me write this as y equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 12. This is 3, right? So that is the equation, linear equation for this straight line. And as you can see from the concepts of the line, the direction is, you could write direction, or I should say slope is minus 2 over 3, okay? The direction will be 3 comma minus 2. Now you could use the concepts which you learned in linear equations to solve this. But we'll use vectors, as this is kind of review on vectors, okay? Well, at this stage, we know two things about the line. One, we know the y-intercept. So we can say point B is 0, 12, right? Point B is 0, 12 for us. And we also know that the direction for this is 3 minus 2. So based on this, we can write vector equation of the line AB. So I'm writing vector equation of the line AB, which should be, let's say, the coordinates x and y, could be given as one of the points on the line, which is 0, 12, plus t times the direction vector, which is 3 minus 2, right? So that is the vector equation of this line. Now, this equation tells us that any point on this line in general can be written as x equals to, since we have taken 0, we write 3t, right? And y equals to 12 minus 2t. So that becomes the general equation, general value of any point. So R, the point R, could be written as 3t, 12 minus 2t, x and y coordinates, right? Now as you can see, we can also write what PR is. Since we know what P is 4, 0, right? So coordinates of point P are given to us. So from here, we can write what PR is. So PR will be equal to Difference in x values, 3t minus 4, and the y values will be 12 minus 2t, take away 0, so the same thing, right? So that is PR from this point, right? Now we know the direction vector PR is 3t minus 4, comma 12 minus 2t. Now, dot product of direction vector of these two should be 0 if PR is the shortest distance, correct? So what we're trying to say here is that PR, where dot product of direction vector of this, which is 3 minus 2, should be equal to 0, right? So that is what is the equation which can help you to find or solve this particular situation. So let's kind of write it down and then figure this out. So PR is 3t minus 4, 12 minus 2t, dot 3 minus 2t. That should be equal to 0, right? So when you open this up, we get 3 times 3 is 9t minus 12, minus 2 times 12 is minus 24, minus minus becomes plus, so plus 4t. This should be equal to 0. Combining the like terms, we get 9t plus 4t as 13t, so we get 13t and minus 36 equals to 0, or t is equals to 36 over 13, right? So we get a value of t. Now with this value, we can find the coordinates r by substituting t as 36, right? So we can do that now. X value, we'll look into this particular equation for r, which gives us the coordinates. So from here, x is equal to 3 times t, which is 3 times 36 over 13. That gives us, we can always use the calculator. 3 times 6 is 18, 8, 108 over 13, right? Y value will be 12 minus 2 times 36 over 3, which is 12 times 3 is 36, minus 72, right? Sorry, 13, right? So we'll need calculator. So we have, let's do it straight away. 12 minus 2 times 36 is 72, right? 72 divided by 13 equals to 84 over 13. So we get 84 over 13. So the coordinates for r is, we can write down here as our answer. Find the coordinates of the point on the railway track that would be closest to P. So that is, we can write x value as 108 over 13. Y value is 84 over 13, right? I hope you understand and appreciate this method of vectors to find the point. Now once you have a point, you can actually also find the closest distance, right? So you can do all that. I'm Anil Kumar. You can share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.